drinking, buddy?
Little highball. Side of the road. You got
Yeah.
his GoPro. You got his GoPro.
That dude. He's dripped.
Tokyo.
You're dripped, buddy. Look at you. Kyoto. It's our place. Really?
Really fatty. Really fatty.
Behold, fucker. Table 52.
Hit the TV, man. Turn the TV on.
No.
Buddy, I'm the shogun now, so turn the TV on. I feel like sticky. I feel sticky.
You sticky, buddy?
Yeah, we've been sweating and stuff, man. What the fuck? What?
What the hell are you doing over there?
Don't push it all the way down, it'll blast out of the sink. Watch. Stop.
Yeah. Osaka.
Lit another cigarette. I had a lot to write on down. Wow. You built yourself a bigger set and acted like a bigger clown. You tried on a decent voice that entangled a shaky choice when you walk by a distant home. You talk away. It sounds like an ordinary day. I wish the well was running dry, so I could climb down to your place to cry about the people on the grass who chased away my people's life. While you complain about the other people leaving out, I'll wait for you to understand my side. And I'll try what the system's made to fight.
Let's go. Everybody crab. Thank you.
Alright. Chill out. Chill out. Dude, Preston's getting swarmed. There you go. There you go. Alright. I already gave one to you.
You already got one.
There you go. Alright, get away from me. Man, they're following me now. No. You stepping on my foot. Alright.
Get my leg. Stop.
Keeping in shape, at least in my face. Living life just like I know. Can't always find a reason to survive, but I like the way it's going today. All my troubles, they stay home. All my troubles, they stay to, I'd say, yeah, I'm gonna do it. So good I could die right now. If you had a gun, I'd say, hurry up and shoot it. So good I could die right now. Everything I've done.
One baby.